Okay, so today we'll make a risotto con funghi, and what you need a large saucepan, you'll need a little bit of butter, you'll need onion, you'll need mushrooms, and you'll need arborio rice. Okay. Okay, so this is the amount of butter that we're gonna use, and we're also gonna use 2 cups of broth, chicken broth. The onions have been chopped very small, and I'm gonna add it. This is half onion, and I'm gonna add it to the butter. And we're gonna let it cook until it gets translucent. Okay, now we're gonna add the mushrooms. We're gonna stir a little bit. And now we'll add a glass of wine and let it evaporate while the mushrooms and the onion keep cooking. Okay, when the white wine is almost completely reduced, I'm gonna add a little salt, and then I'm gonna add the cup of rice. When the rice is all in, I'm gonna stir, and I'm gonna let it absorb the rest of the liquids in there. Okay, now that the rice has completely absorbed the white wine and is mixed really well with the mushrooms, I'm gonna add half of the broth that I prepared before, because I like to keep adding it as it cooks. Okay, now you can see I used the 2 cups of broth, and the rice is almost over. At this stage, I like my rice to be a little yellow, so I add some saffron, okay? And I got 2 bags right here, and I'm gonna dissolve them in a little water. For 1, for 2, a little hot water, not too much. I'm gonna stir it right here, and I'm gonna add it to the rice. Once that's happened, I will stir it in, and look how the color will change. It turns into yellow. Okay, just remember the process started around 6 o'clock, and it's about 6:40 now, and I always kept the burner on a medium high height. The rice is almost ready, maybe a minute or 2. My last step would be to add some pecorino cheese, and again, I have no measurements, I just add, and then you can add some later once you serve it, once you eat it. I'll stir, one last stir, and voila, we're ready. Okay, now we're gonna put this in a plate. I'm gonna empty it right here. And we're gonna, and voila, it's ready. Risotto ai funghi.